In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers in Excel. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to calculate a difference between two cells, and you'll understand what to look out for so your results are accurate every time. Let's set the scene. Imagine you have two numbers in your worksheet, like a current value and a previous value, each in their own cell. You want the difference between them to appear in a third cell. That's exactly what subtraction does. And Excel makes it quick. Start by clicking the cell where you want the result to appear. This will be your answer cell. Type an equals sign. The equals sign tells Excel you're entering a formula, not just a label or a plain number. Now, click the first cell you want to subtract from. This is your starting value. You'll see its cell reference appear right in the formula. Next, type a minus sign. This is the subtraction operator. Finally, click the second cell, the one you want to take away. Your formula should look like first cell minus second cell. If you prefer typing over clicking, you can type the cell references directly, but clicking helps avoid typos and ensures you target the exact cells you intend. Press Enter to complete the formula. Instantly, Excel calculates the result and displays it in the cell you selected. The answer is what you'll see on the grid, and the formula itself is visible in the formula bar when that cell is selected. If the two numbers are the same, you'll see 0. If the second number is larger than the first, you'll see a negative result, which is perfectly normal and simply indicates the direction of the difference. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Order matters. Subtracting B2 from A2 is not the same as subtracting A2 from B2, so double-check that you clicked the correct first and second cells. If you see an unexpected result, click the cell and review the formula in the formula bar to confirm the correct references. If your subtraction returns an error or doesn't look right, the most common cause is that one of the cells contains text instead of a true number. You can test this by selecting the cell and looking for a little error indicator or by checking whether it's formatted as a number. Also, remember that Excel ignores spaces around the minus sign, so don't worry if you accidentally add one. That's it. The fastest, most dependable way to subtract in Excel: equals, first cell, minus, second cell, then enter. Keep this pattern in mind and you'll be subtracting values accurately across your worksheets with confidence.